Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into $1 million question that many people are asking. Will AI replace software engineers? What does AI mean for humans? Will AI take over many jobs or will it create many opportunities than we expect? To explore these questions, we will examine real-world examples and take a deep dive into how AI will transform the way we work, live, and create. And don't worry, we are not here to scare you. Instead, we are here to show how AI can help us become more superhuman than ever before. We'll also explore how we can overcome the challenges AI presents. So stick around and trust me, it is going to be an exciting journey. So let's start by taking a look at some examples. When the calculator was introduced, were mathematicians out of job? Did they vanish? No, in fact, calculators helped them do their job more efficiently. In fact, the calculator took care of the boring number crunching, leaving mathematicians to focus on more complex and interesting problems. Now tell me, when tractors were introduced to farming, did farmers disappear? Of course not. They began to use tractors to work faster and smarter. In fact, tractors help them increase food production. The same thing is happening with AI. They are also improving our productivity. Now let's try to understand what the World Economic Forum says. According to the report called Future of Jobs by the World Economic Forum, 41% of employees plan to downsize their workforce by 2030. Yes, you heard that right, 41%. That means 92 million jobs are at risk. And guess what? Who is replacing them? AI. It really sounds terrifying, but don't lose heart. There's a silver lining as well. The report also says 78 million new jobs will be created by 2030 because of AI. And these new jobs will require new technologies, tools, and skills. So instead of troubling yourself by thinking that you will be replaced, focus on learning new skills. So when we talk about AI, it's not about replacing people. It's about assisting them, helping them become more productive and allowing them to do the work of 4 to 5 people, just like calculators and tractors do. AI will empower us. It will give us the ability to work more efficiently and it won't take any job from us. It will in fact create many new opportunities and it will help humans become superhuman. So we have better future waiting for us. We don't have to spend too much of time doing redundant work because AI will take care of that. Now let's talk about something even more exciting. We know that AI is really great at analyzing data. It can spot patterns, predict trends, and generate solutions based on the data it has. But AI doesn't actually create anything of its own. It only works with historical data, patterns, and past examples and gives us a result based on that. It is indeed great at processing and predicting, much more efficient than human. But when it comes to true creativity and innovation, nothing can ever beat humans. AI can suggest improvements and automate repetitive tasks or even predict what might happen in the future. But when it comes to groundbreaking ideas, only human can shine. Humans can push boundaries, think out of the box, and come up with something no one ever imagined before. AI doesn't have that level of creativity. It is still a tool in our hands. Also, when it comes to truly complex problems, AI cannot handle them. It doesn't have the emotional intelligence or moral reasoning that humans have. Think about decisions that require moral judgment or emotional understanding. AI will fail drastically. Because it cannot relate to human experiences, it doesn't feel pain or joy, and it doesn't understand the complexities of human emotions. Only human can weigh the emotional and ethical consequences. So while AI can be a good tool to help us solve problems, it won't replace human judgment or understanding. Our ability to make ethical decisions is irreplaceable. We are hearing a lot of talk about automation, AI tools, and how they are going to take over jobs. Some jobs will become obsolete and new roles will evolve. But we shouldn't forget that for every AI tool that is being launched, there is a need for even more advanced project and more tools and better solutions. So nobody is taking your job away. AI will automate routine tasks and you will get more time to focus on higher level and more creative aspect of work, which means the demand for more innovative work is going to increase and not decrease. Look, one person with the right AI tools might be able to do the work of 5 people. That's true. But at the same time, we will need more projects, more products, and more advanced tools to handle the requirement for better solution and fill the technological gap that we have now. So many new roles will be created, but the jobs of the future will require human creativity, decision making, and innovation. Automation will definitely shift the job market, but it is not going to take away the need for human expertise. Now let's consider a real world example. Cognizant Lab, a company based in the US, has launched a powerful AI software engineer named Devin. And you know what? Devin is capable of writing code, debugging it, and deploying software, and even managing entire projects. Sounds like perfect replacement for a human software engineer, right? But hold on a second, this doesn't mean developers are out of a job. While Devin can handle repetitive coding tasks and technical work, human engineers are still crucial. Can Devin handle creative, strategic, and problem solving aspect of software development? Not possible. If you check Cognizant Lab official website, you will see they are still hiring software engineers. So even with Devin on board, they are still looking for humans to join their team. And that tells you everything you need to know. This cannot be the end of an industry. It is an evolution. Developers will be able to use AI tools like Devin to be more efficient, more productive, and more creative. So, what's the takeaway here? AI isn't here to replace us, it is here to assist us, to help us become more efficient and capable. It's not about job disappearing, but about the evolution of work. Just like calculators and tractors didn't make people obsolete, AI won't make humans useless. In fact, AI will only make us more superhuman, giving us the tools to do even more. So embrace AI and don't fear it. It's a powerful tool that will elevate us all. Yes, AI is definitely shaking up the job market. It is going to phase out some jobs but create a tons of new ones too. So the real question is, how do you make sure you don't get left behind? So here are a few things that you can do to stay relevant. And the first one is keep learning. Yes, if you are not picking up new skills, you are going to get left in the dust. There are so many online resources, there are so many platforms out there like Coursera, Udemy, edX that are perfect for picking up fresh skills. Whether you are in technology, HR, or even education, just make sure you are always learning. Now, the next one is build your personal brand. Yes, show off what you can do. Get on LinkedIn, start a blog, or even share your projects on GitHub or YouTube. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come knocking. It's all about making sure people know what you are and what you are capable of. And the third one is work on your soft skills. AI might be great at crunching numbers and doing technical tasks, but the real value comes from creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. These are the skills that will really set you apart. So start sharpening these skills. Collaborate more, think outside the box, and work on how you connect with others. And the next one is get into passive income. This is also very important. Never forget about ways to make money on the side. You could create content, write ebook, or join affiliate programs. There are so many ways to earn passively. It's all about using your time wisely and being proactive. All right, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching. And what do you think? How do you see AI shaping your future? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you and see you next time.